Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I want to talk about one of the best health features or fitness features of Amazfit Active Max, and this feature is called Zepp Coach. And this feature allows you to create coaching plans with the help of AI through the Zepp app, and then you can use it on this watch. Now, if I go in the apps and tap on this app here, it says Zepp Coach. Now, right now, I don't have a plan. So let's go ahead and create one and see how it works on this watch. In the Zepp app, you need to go in workout, and here scroll down, and then you will see this Zepp Coach feature. Go in here, and from here you need to select your device. So right now Active Max is connected. I'll select that, and in the next step, press on start now. Here you get two plans. There's a running plan and there's a basic AI plan. So this one is for enhancing running performance, and this one is for improving cardiorespiratory fitness. So this one is something almost anyone can use, so I'm gonna go with that. Now on this screen, you can actually set up how you want to work out throughout the week. So the first one is weekly workout days. Go in here and select how many days in a week you want to work out. If you want to keep it moderate, let's go with 3. Then there is average workout duration. So here you can select the duration. Let's go with 30 to 60 minutes. And then average workout intensity. Here you can select high, low, or moderate. So I'll go with moderate. Press next, and now you can select your training days. So by default it's set to Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can change them if you want. I'll leave it like that. Press OK. On the next screen, you can select if you want to do high intensity training as well. You can schedule it, or you can select maybe later. Choose the start date, which is today. I'll start today, and press done. And now this will use AI to create this basic AI plan. So here it tells you the coach tailors a plan to improve your fitness based on your exercise history and habits, enhancing abilities and heart health while avoiding injuries. So this actually uses your data from your watch about your activity, how active you are, what is your regular heart rate and all that stuff. It will take into account all of that according to this. And then it will create this AI plan, which is pretty good. Let's go on the next screen. In the first week, recommendations focus on moderate intensity for your body to adapt. Opting for high intensity training, it starts in week 2. Then it tells you to wear the device properly and activate the workout mode during exercise. Then promptly sync the workout record to the Zepp app after you exercise. So there you go, very self-explanatory. And then in the initial 1 to 2 weeks, recommendations may not perfectly match your capability. You can adjust workout duration and will track it. Continued use will tailor recommendations to your needs. So the more you use it, the better it will become. And this is how you can set up your Zepp Coach AI plan on Amazfit Active Max. Now, once this is set up, we can go back to the watch. Now, if I go back in this app, you will see that there is a plan created on the watch as well. It shows you the same information that we just saw on the Zepp app, and you can scroll. You'll see your today's completion, this week's completion here, your training day and rest days will be here. And then you can also set up your training reminders that you need to train. And you can also set up your workout alerts for heart rate zones and completion. So now whatever workout you will do, it will count towards this workout plan that we've just created. So if I tap on this button here, I can select my workout. So let's say I'll select walking and press go. Now it has been started. You can see that the average heart rate target is this. There's workout time, completion, and it's a very simple and straightforward screen that we see in the normal workout. So now once we finish this workout, you'll see that it tells you how much of this activity counted towards your Zepp Coach AI basic plan. So right now 0% of course, and then shows you your metrics and everything else. So this is how you can create and use the Zepp Coach AI plan on Amazfit Active Max. I think this is for people who are busy, who don't get much time to work out. They can set it up and then just follow it whenever it's the day for your workout. You just do your workout and then take your rest days as well. The more you use it, it will get better and adapt according to your workout and your activity. That's about it. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.